Today is Monday, March the 24th, 2025, and it is about 11:05 in the morning. And as you see, the number of the day is 10. And if you have been watching my videos, then you know I am about to do an RV site review for the current park that we are staying in and preparing to leave. And that is this park, Lake Arrowhead, that we are in loop 7 through 12, and we are in spot 10 that you can see. I'll just give you a shot. Right there is 9, there's 8, that one over there is 7, that is 12, and that beside us is 11. These sites you can see are paved, they are flat, they are angled, so they're easy to get in, unlike the thing that we had at Mineral Wells. You can see the truck here and here. Let me walk all the way out here just to show you. I always like to show it from this point of view. If I go to my furthest point of the drive here, it is here. So you can see I have all this space with the truck, and you see the trailer back there. Of course, here we'll just start on this side and go the opposite way. You see there's a grill. They even give you firewood. We have not used it, but that we did not put that stack there. That was there for our use that we have never used. Okay. These, of course, are chairs. I'll have to put those up. But you get this nice shelter with shade, as you can see, with picnic table there. Plenty of trees. And you can see back here where the trailer's at. Look at this. I mean, there's probably, I don't know, at least 3 feet between the trailer and the concrete curb thing there. But, you know, half of that space over there will be yours. This all back here. And a lot of that back over in that side. Alright, so this is like so many other sites, and that what you get is you get electric and water. And that's exactly what I have here. And of course, I always like to show you, first of all, you can see there's number 10. But you see, I'm on the 30 amp, but there's also a 50 amp, and there's two 110s there. And so, let's see, what I can tell you about this place is for TV, I got 22 channels. But 3, I think it was 3 of them, that doesn't come in at all. They have a weak signal. They don't show anything. Some of the others, you know, aren't no good, but, you know, as far as stuff that I would watch. But there are several channels that I was able to use, and that's good. There is no Wi-Fi back here in this section. If you want Wi-Fi, you have to go up to main headquarters, which ain't very far that way. There's a little road out there. I know you can't see it, but it just ends right there. You make a right, you go right up maybe, I don't know, 1,000 feet. And you would be at the headquarter building there where you come into this place. And they have Wi-Fi there. And I have used it 2 nights, in fact, and downloaded stuff and all that. So it does work there. Here, if you've been keeping up, you know, we have T-Mobile. And T-Mobile here is fairly pathetic. I mean, it's worked decently at times. But so many times you'll lose a 5G signal. When you do have a 5G signal, it might be 1 bar. Sometimes it goes all the way up to 4 or 5, but that never lasts very long at all. And it dies down quickly. And we'll go to LTE Plus, and then just drop, and then be gone a minute or two, and then come back. I mean, honestly, this is our 4th day here. We've been here 4 nights, and this is it's been a little frustrating as far as, you know, the whole internet thing. So if you're looking for that here and you have T-Mobile, well, you might want to rethink your plan and do something else. I can't speak about AT&T and Verizon, any of those. But there's only a few people, actually a couple people that's left here. I've seen 2 or 3 already leave this morning. And like I said, everybody left in our loop here yesterday. We've had this ever since afternoon. And, you know, that's been good. But anyway, if it's a place you're just looking to come and rest, walk a couple of trails, and have a basic good time in nature, I highly recommend it. And you know, but if you just got T-Mobile and you're looking for internet, well, you might be disappointed. So something to think about. Hope this video helps you out in some way. Let me know if it does, and or if it doesn't, I guess. But anyway, like and subscribe, all that stuff, comment, and I'll see you on the next video.